Hello guys, good morning. I'm here. We are doing this stream before. This is not. This is now how it uh, looks like currently. Before it is like existing stream, and there's a lot of grass, but we build up and shape it according to the design surface, and it looks very good. And our operator is there. Hey Muhammad, he's there. He is good. You know why? Because even if he cannot read, he's still good because he's using a GPS digger, and he's good. Like, it just reminds me of my father, so even if you cannot read, you can still do it, and he's doing it perfectly. It's like this work is really good. This within the tolerance, and look, it's very good. So we put a coconut mat and mulch. It's a wood strip. So this is what we call mulching, so that we can prevent the soil erosion. And right over there is the pond. Okay, well, so take a look at the water. The water is not that bad, not very brownish. It's kind of clear. Means to say, this one is chlorinated. If you can see at the top, there's a black box, and we are putting the chlorine over there in the forebay. So when the water overflow from the forebay, it's already been chlorinated. So when it comes to the main body of the pond, it is what you call this one, it is much cleaner and clearer. So alright guys, this is me and that is you. Have a good morning. So cheers, bye.